Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm a disabled YouTuber who makes videos trying to educate people on disability, as well as talking about my love of fashion and interior design. And in today's video I'm doing another makeup tutorial. So first I will give my face a good wash with some face wash and then put on moisturizer if I need to, and then I go in with my concealer. This is actually a concealer and a pimple cream all in one, which is really great, so it covers up the pimples and also helps them as well. Next I'm putting on foundation. Now I'm putting on some powder. Next I'm going to go in with a bit of blush. Next I'm going to be going in with some eyeshadow. I was going to use this one, but I cannot open it. I don't know why. There's like a weird way to open it. It was very difficult for Danny to open, so I'm assuming that there's some sort of trick to it, but I couldn't figure it out, so I'm just going to use this one again. Next I'm going to go in with some lip balm. And some lipstick. Finally, the setting spray. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video.